Hi guys! Grabe ang tagal ng vlog namin. So today ay mag-update tayo kung bakit wala kaming vlog for a long time. Kasi ang dahilan talaga bakit matagal kasi busy lang talaga ako sa work. Yung last vlog namin na na-post ko is yung nakapasa ko sa state test. So, yun na yung trabaho ko ngayon. Certified Medical Assistant or KMA, Kentucky Medication Aid. Yun na yung trabaho ko ngayon. For almost, nag-start ako ng October. Pero, doon pa rin ako nagtatrabaho. Doon sa pinagtatrabahoan ko dati. Magna 9 years na nga ako ngayong December. Gusto ko na yung trabaho ko. Kaya, nag-additional ako ng working hours. So, kaya na-busy talaga ako. Kaya hindi na ako nakakapag-vlog. Kasi kung dati yung work ko is 72 hours lang, ngayon, ginawa kong 94 hours. And then, na-notice ng asawa ko or ako mismo na parang work na lang ako lagi, work, bahay, hindi na kami nakakapag-banding mag-walking sa labas kasi yung off ko na lang is wala na akong 3 nights off in a row. In 2 weeks, yung working hours ko is 94 hours. So, ngayon, ginawa ko na lang 82 hours. In 2 weeks, 82 hours na lang kasi para makapag-banding din, para ma-relax din ako kasi okay yung trabaho ko, gusto ko na siya ngayon, hindi na siya very physical na katulad ng dati. Nagpapasa na ako ng medicine ngayon. Then ang next update natin guys, about naman sa we are how are we? Because no, we are still together with my husband. So, kami pa naman, update sa aming pag-aasawa, we just celebrate our 9 years anniversary last June. 9 years? Mm-hmm. Yeah, 9 years anniversary. Just a simple celebration. Nag-booking kami sa park, pumasyal kami sa park, and then kumain kami sa Japanese restaurant. Mga simple gifts lang yung mga binigay namin sa isa't isa. And then, yes, exciting news is we are also building our another house in Cebu. Yeah, I'm just so excited for that also because yeah, another blessing. So we are building house in Cebu, Philippines. And then, it's been like, nag-start kami ng mag-process ng building permit is, I think, February. Ang tagal ng process ng building permit sa Pinas. No, excuse me. Yeah, ang tagal ng process ng building permit sa Cebu. Mostly sa Cebu. Kasi naalala ko, sa Catbalogan, parang mabilis lang yung process ng building permit. Pero dito sa Cebu, grabe. Inabot ng more than 1 month. And then, sila mama nga lang yung pinaasikaso ko, si mama at si papa. Sobrang gastos nga kasi wala silang bahay na tinutuluyan. So, nag-Airbnb lang sila. So, napakagastos talaga. Balik-balik lang sila sa Cebu and then sa Samar. Lang sila ng ferry or Grand or yung Sikat, yung 4 hours lang papunta sa Cebu and then vice versa 4 hours din. So kaya napakagastos din kasi balik-balik lang sila kasi yung pag-process ng building permit is hindi siya tuloy-tuloy. Kung baga, pupunta ka doon, sasabihin nila, wait ka ng another 3 days, and then yung 3 days na yun, magiging 1 week, and then punta doon, punta dito. So, marami talaga. Kaya inabot ng more than 1 month. And then, napakagastos kasi Airbnb sila mama. Kasi wala kaming kakilala doon sa Cebu. So, itong pag-build ng house. So, more than, ano na rin, mga 2 months na rin na nagbi-build. Parang mabagal yung process. Parang mabagal yung progress ng paggawa ng bahay. Kinakabahan nga ako kasi, hindi namin kilala personal yung architect at yung mga gumagawa ng bahay. Pero na-meet naman ng parents ko yung architect at and then yung nag-start nandun din sila mama, so na-meet nila mama yung foreman, ganyan. Pero parang okay naman, parang parang okay naman yung architect kasi yung pinili namin is design and build. So kumbaga wala na kaming iisipin, kumbaga nagbabayad na lang kami. Pero syempre hindi ko rin maiwasan or hindi namin talaga maiwasan ako mismo na kabahan na paano kung hindi maging maganda yung kalalabasan kasi nga walang pamilya namin ang tumitingin doon sa pinapagawa naming bahay. Pero parang may tiwala naman ako sa architect. Parang naman, kasi nag-search ako, parang maganda naman yung company nila. Hindi ko lang talaga maiwasan, syempre kabahan, kasi wala doon, walang tumitingin, araw-araw yung mga ginagawa nila, ganyan. Pero, yeah, may tiwala naman kami. I hope maging okay lang talaga ang lahat. And then, uuwi rin kami sa Pinas pag matapos tong bahay. This year uuwi kami. Hindi ko lang sure kung kailan, pero hindi ko muna sasabihin kung kailan, pero uuwi kami this year. Iwan ko lang kung kailan. Secret lang kung kailan. So yun yung exciting. So guys, magba-vlog. So hindi ako mag-stop mag-vlog. Magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin yung vlog ko. Na-busy lang talaga ako sa trabaho ko. Nag-focus kasi ako sa trabaho ko. Kasi nga, gusto ko na yung trabaho ko. Kaya dinagdagan ko ng hours. So yun lang. So hi guys. So here's my husband. Yay!
Oh, I'm very, very tired, guys.
He's very tired right now. Yeah. We just got home from church and then we went to grocery a little bit.
But I woke up way before that, yeah.
Yeah, he woke up like 4 a.m.
Yeah, 4 a.m.
Yeah.
So I'm tired, guys. But
so
hi, how are you doing again? Okay, what else?
We were just gonna update some in our house. What are you comment about the update of the house?
The house is coming along. Should be done by fall, October, November area, somewhere in there. Hopefully, without.
I wish.
Yeah. Hopefully, they have to fight through the rain because it's rainy season, but they're doing a good job, and it'll be a nice house. We're getting prepared to send 2 boxes. By Balikbayan box to the Philippines. That'll be in 2 weeks. So my honey really has to get busy making labels, so she promised to do today, and I can put these labels on the box. And I've been bugging her for a week now to get the labels done. It's always tomorrow, the day that never comes. It's always coming, but it doesn't get here.
So this, I'm gonna show you guys the update of the house.
Okay, show them the pictures.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them the pictures. So this is the update.
Yeah, they only started in March, didn't they? March or April.
Well, they released the building permit May. So when we receive it, that's when they really start.
Oh, so that's only 2 months ago.
So 2 months.
They've gone pretty far in 2 months.
And this is the update after 2 months.
Okay. All right. Well, good to see you guys. We'll see you a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna be We were gonna be back to vlogging again soon. So don't leave us, guys.